Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to 𝗥𝗲𝗳𝗶𝗿 podcast. You're watching the Hacker Show. So recently there is some changes regarding Microsoft Azure storage area. So previously we can easily change from this setting. Like if you want to allow the permission from the access level, like private to blob, blob to container. And in some cases, like we observed that you're not able to directly change these settings. So the problem is the recent changes happened in this account. It was in regarding Microsoft policy. So this time you need to go further. And if you have no idea, I'm going to guide you because this is part of my offensive cloud pen testing and most of the students are facing this issue. So you need to go to the storage account, which is you can see clearly here. Okay, if you don't know how to create a storage account, you can simply click on the create button and just follow the form. Okay, and you will be able to create a storage account. Select your resource group from here. Storage account name, anything like you can type whatever, and select Azure Blob, this one standard, and select local redundant storage. Simple click here next or review create. Once you create it, you will see this option. Okay, in my case, this is a storage account, access public. So we need to provide a permission. So in order to basically view the information, we need to click here. This is the access public link. This is our storage account, right? And here, if you go further down, you can see clearly under this area, you can simple navigate. Security plus networking, you will find the access key. Here also, like I added, here are the access keys. Next, I am interested in this option called setting area. So simple go to the setting area, and under the setting, we have option called codes. Second option is configuration. Okay, we need to click on this option. So for example, if I click on configuration, you can also click here star. Okay, so it will come up on the top. So if you see in this area, you need to see that option, allow blob anonymous access. If it is disabled, you need to allow it. So once you allow it, enable, it will take minimum 30-second time. So that part you can enable. That is very, very important if you want to allow public access. Otherwise, by default, it is a private. So by default, Azure will put all your account or blob under this private, no anonymous access. So this part is important. Once you enable it, wait for 30 seconds. And after the 30 seconds, you can simply go to the container and you can select that option like new storage and then go here, change access level. So you can see clearly I already changed container anonymous read access. Before it was private. So if I just click on private, you can see it is working perfectly. It is, see that clearly, it is working. And I'm able to see some changes quickly. Perfect. Now suppose I want to change the access level from here to suppose this one, blob anonymous read access from blob only, or container anonymous read access for container and the blob. So we'll provide both because I want to put all this in public area. So just click here OK, and now you can see it's available. Now you want to upload any file, you can upload any file here. In my case, I uploaded I think one file, which is 0 request http.py. So that part, okay, now it is public, so you can share the link and anyone can download your file. That's all for this section. I hope you enjoy the video and you want to master, okay, like attacking on cloud area, you can simply go to the 𝗥𝗲𝗳𝗶𝗿.com and here we have a program called OCPT, Offensive Cloud Penetration Testing. So just check it. We are covering tons of things under this program. This is amazing program and I train many people across the globe. And this basically we are teaching from I think 2013 around. We started this program. So I think almost last 12 years I am teaching this cloud penetration testing. Even each and every modules are updated and we are going to focus AI powered things here. Thank you for joining and I'll connect you later. Have a great day. Happy weekend ahead. We'll see you in the next webcast. Have a great day.